Hi everyone, I'm Kate. Today I'm going to share a review of a course called Passion Over Profits, which is also known as POP. My goal is to help parents who are burnt out from the long work hours and are looking to make more money online while spending more quality time with their kids. In this video, I'll cover who am I, what is POP, why I bought this course, how it works, my experience so far. Stick around until the end to get a full understanding and hear about a special gift I have for you. If you're a burnout parent, feeling overwhelmed by work, searching for a way to earn more, want to reclaim your life, hit that subscribe button for more content that could help you make a change. I am a reseller of this course, so I don't guarantee any results if you decide to purchase. This is simply a review and my honest opinion of the Passion Over Profits course. I am an affiliate for other programs, so if you decide to purchase through my link under this video, I'll earn a commission at no extra cost to you. I'll be as honest as possible to help you make the right decision. I left my banking job 2 years ago because the hours were overwhelming, from 8 a.m. to 1 a.m., leaving me no time for my family. I couldn't even spend time with them. Most days, I didn't even touch the couch. I was too caught up in a job. I would have to send them to their grams before the sunrise and only to see them after the sunset. All I got to see were their sweet sleeping faces before the grind started again. That wasn't the life I dreamed of. Enough was enough. I realized I wasn't just living for a paycheck that barely made ends meet. I needed something more, not just for me, but for my beautiful children. I've tried many things: Amazon FBA, Etsy, print on demand, blogging, running a physical business, and affiliate marketing. And I purchased POP end of August this year. The co-creators are Daniel Cho and Nathan Bockus. Both of them transitioned from blue-collar professions to successful affiliate marketers in 2021. Together, they founded the Wealth Warriors community, offering coaching and resources to help others build profitable affiliate digital marketing businesses. What is POP? POP is an online course that teaches proven strategies for marketing effectively on all major social platforms, and it comes with the Master Resell Rights, which is MRR. And MRR here refers to resellers get to resell the course and keep 100% of the profits. I purchased this course because I was struggling to achieve the results I wanted. I needed more leads, a stronger presence, and I was tired of spinning my wheels with no progress. I had a good struggle for 5 months, I would say. How it works: simply educate yourself using the modules provided in the course, which includes done for you funnels, done for you PLR, MRR, vault, YouTube ads, and many more. Features also include 12 months of coaching, join live calls to share your challenges, and the coach will break everything down for you step by step. Sell the course and keep 100% profits. Gain master resell rights to earn full revenue from each sale. Dual income system. Enjoy both one-time earnings and monthly recurring revenue for ongoing income. What does that mean? When you purchase POP, you can also opt for the coaching on a monthly basis. So if your buyer opt for this option, you'll get a commission from that. How much does this cost? It is priced as $1,000, which grants you full access to the course and master reseller. The good about this course is, if you have any question, you can ask on the school platform. Very supportive community. Your question will be addressed during the live training sessions held 3 times a week, all of which are recorded for later viewing. Last one, you get 100% commissions. The bad, you need to pay in order to resell it. So For example, for affiliate marketing, you don't have to pay to begin with, but for MRR, you have to pay. It can be overwhelming at first, especially for someone with no prior experience in online selling. I mean, for beginners with no online background. Also, no results are guaranteed with this course. Is this a scam? Not at all. It's a solid course. You gain valuable insights into proven strategies for online marketing. At the time this video was created, I had grown my account to over 800 followers in just 45 days by implementing all the strategies from POP. Your success will largely depend on your approach, strategy, and efforts. If you purchase POP through my link, you will receive 8 additional bonuses as listed below. Messenger access, you'll get 40 days access to answer any question. You will be my priority. But of course, 40 days later, if you text me, I'll still reply to you. No worry about that. Personal guidance. I'll help you to set up your store or funnel with ease on System.io. Online course, 5 keys to branding. Content calendar, your first 30-day social media guide that comes with PLR, which means you can revamp, rebrand, and sell it as your own. The social media blueprint comes with MRR. You can resell this as well. Daily affiliate marketing mistakes. Do you think that's not impressive enough? I'm sure you'll love this. I have a free course designed by my friend who escaped his call center job and now earns over $16,000. It's his newly handcrafted, completely original online course that lays out the precise game plan, allowing you to follow in his footsteps if you choose to. Become a POP member through my link. Take a picture of your receipt. Email it to me, k@mamabehindthescreen.com. What if I don't want to deal with the following? I had no idea how to even import a funnel. I'm not naturally social, and I barely had any time to study. Here's the good news. I have a better fit for you. It is faster and easier to make money online with a much better commission rate as compared to other programs in the market. You don't have to hire an assistant, engage actively online, build a landing page, or even to create products. How do you start? You can begin by watching my free course in the link below this video. If you have any question, make sure you email to me. That's all I want to share about the review of Passion Over Profit course to you. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and like my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye. Oh, don't forget to redeem your free gift. Bye.